President Trump's tariffs are still making headlines, and now the European Union have folded, at least to some degree, and are now coming to the negotiating table with the United States. Their offer, 0 for 0 tariffs on industrial goods. But on the other side of all of this, the Chinese Communist Party, they're doubling down against the United States, and we could actually see a trade war start. This happens as Trump is threatening 50% tariffs on China, in addition to everything else. That would bring the total tariffs on China to 104%. The impact on the Chinese markets was already looking grim. Across the board, the CCP's markets were seeing their biggest drops in history. Making a deal for the CCP, well, it may be a bit difficult. They were cited as the worst abuser in the world when it comes to bad trade practices. And it's not even just direct tariffs. They're huge on intellectual property theft, stealing American innovation. The Chinese Communist Party heavily manipulates its currency. In fact, they're doing it right now in the open with the current tariffs. The CCP also works through a lot of backdoors in global trade. They use trade loopholes everywhere they can, like the de minimis laws that let them sell goods at artificially low prices, which has now been ended as well. And the CCP has also built its economy on so many layers of abuse like this, there's no way they can get out of this without facing some extent of economic devastation. And even aside from normal trade deals, just with manufacturing and investment coming back to the United States, this alone will be devastating to the Chinese Communist Party because every factory, every dollar of foreign investment is money in factories that used to be going to China and are no longer going there.